everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Dongayard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome. Those who were there with me from the beginning of the journey and are still there, manners and respect. Now today, let me go in a little thing first. All who want to click off, you know, some people are just here for see how there's something cooked. I'm not really interested in nothing more, so we still have to hang with them, we still have to put up with them, but you can't click off right now because I know I'm not interested. But for those who are loyal and you know, my real good up family them, this is for you. Now, I did say that our winners, yes, I did yes, they got their cakes and all of that. Now, I was very pleased to understand that, or I was very fortunate to understand that our second prize winner is also a YouTuber. I did not know. You think a Jamaica alone small and the whole world small. She lives in Canada, yet I stood right here in Jamaica, and it was right here in Jamaica I realized that she's a YouTuber. So I'm going to leave the link to our channel or our channel's name in the description. In the second part, this is a two-part video, in the second part of this video, and I want you to go check it out. She made a video with her unboxing her cake. I know you all would love to see that. She has made a video unboxing her cake. I want you all to go check it out, and not only to go check it out, but when you go, please remember to subscribe to her and show her some love. She's a part of her family. Let's get into it. Now, I don't know how I get in on me. I got to tell the people and say the next video is going to be a little good body soup. If I was trying to video something else, it wouldn't work. The people were kept all over Instagram. Debbie, what the soup, what the soup. Anyhow, I could start out this like a good body soup. Now this soup, I had it on my list of to-do videos, but sometime in summer of this year, somebody, or near to summer, it was nearer to summer, it was a full summer. They threw out, they sent by comment saying, Debbie, something like, I can't remember definitely, but they were saying, Debbie, I want to see you do that soup here. It's a browned chicken soup. Brown chicken soup. It's as if they were saying to me, somebody gave me this recipe. Debbie, try, I must see if you can do it. Hello, I'm not sure if that person is here. I would not think so though. The way in which they sent, they stated the comment, me look like them they just a pass through. But if you're here, welcome. So we are going to deal with a brown chicken soup today. Now I have here some chicken breast with the ribs on it, and it is all, I'll show you after. It has, me take off the skin. So it's skinless. Not boneless, you know, skinless, because one bone in it. It's washed and it's already cleaned. Clean up and wash. But look here. The first thing I want you to do when preparing this soup, let me get my hands all rinsed. Okay, look here, my hand cleaning up, but you know, no, don't know I go for the record, no, don't know I go. Where I go? I'm going to show you how to deal with a little something here. So look here. Some people click on and off and then click on the wrong click. Sometimes the wrong click they make. I have here some cornmeal and I have some flour. This spoon is clean. And I have a little salt, not a lot. So what I want you to do first is put a little, just a little soft, you see the margarine, or if you want butter. If you don't want to, you don't have to do it. Nobody got to talk about Debbie Lord and this. So it's half cornmeal, half flour. Try to put a little cornmeal in your flour. So you know you don't want to go too much pan the whole heap of plain flour, you know, white flour dumpling. That's not good for you, especially when you reach my age. Kind of put a little, you know, cornmeal, a little plantain, or some whole wheat. So we're going to mix here. What we're going to do here, the first thing I want you to do is to make your dumpling. Make the dough for your dumplings and leave it to rest. I'm going to make this dough and return. Dough all needed, leaving it to rest. We'll take it out of the way. I'm going to wash off your hand with a little. So you make your dough first. Very first thing I want you to do is to make your dough first. Okay? Now, I want you to come to the chicken. skinless, and you try to take off all of the little fat, move them little fatty because we're gonna season this chicken and we are gonna brown this chicken. You see, we're gonna season this chicken to get it to brown. So look here, I want to put a little salt, not a lot, just a little, and blow away the salt, not a lot of salt. This is like 1 kilogram of chicken. Maybe we don't use all of it. May I put some sage? Fan is blowing, family. We need some more. I'm gonna go put all of these seasonings and return to you. Okay, now family, fan was blowing. Can I feel cool down myself, you know what I'm saying? And I have to close the windows because sometimes there's some just like too much noise and music. Other places, other avenues, and it's so loud it affects the video. So I have to have my windows closed at certain times. So I'll leave for you in the description. I have grated garlic, you know what that I do, a little sage and a little black pepper and a little bit of salt. But I'll leave for you in case we did put something more. So we want to rub around this thing here. I'm using the breast part of the chicken with the ribs on it because of soup business. You see me? If you want to use leg and thigh, you can go ahead. You know, I might have one little wing in it, but I never get to take off all of the skin. But I'm not sure if I'm going to put the wing in there. So look here. You want to start move around your thing. Remember I said to you, browned chicken soup. So we are seasoning up that chicken here because look here, we're going to brown off that chicken here, you know. We're going to brown. I don't know if that person, this is what they're talking, but this is a video that I add on my to-do list of videos. Brown chicken soup. So look here. We'll rub up this chicken here with, and I don't know what you want to use. If you want to use what we use, as I said, we will leave it for you in the description of the video. I will just rub it in. Rub it in. Remember, I know it have the bones, so you must be careful. You rub it in, you want to have a little color going on with this thing. Because remember, you know, you can't use a lot of oil to brown this thing. I'll show you. Because, you know, when the thing done, you have 1 bag of oil on top of the soup. You know, so look here. I cover back this, go wash my hands, and I will come back to show you what we're going to deal with them vegetables. Soon come. Okay, I'm going to be making a soup mix. I'm going to prepare my soup mix. So, we're going to use some green coconut milk in this good body soup. Hello, some people saying, somebody say, I think cow skin. Cow skin going at a strong body soup. We have good body soup, we have strong body soup. Soup time coming up. It's cold. The weather is cold. It just gets ready for cook. I want a bit of warm up for cold, you know. So we are going to run some soup. We're just going to, as soon as the Christmas holiday is over, we are going to run soup like crazy. Okay? So I have my green coconut here. I'll be preparing the milk in part 2. Or you'll see it in a part 2. I have some pumpkin. I have some carrot. So what I do, nip off the top and the bottom. I'm just showing you, you know. And I scrape my carrot. I don't peel my carrots. I just scrape it. Some people want to cut it up with the skin. Let me tell you something, Barry. This carrot skin is really bitter, you see. So if you want some bitter soup, you can keep on the skin and your carrot, you know. So you can just lightly scrape it. Always have a little knife like this or even smaller. Like a little. Or if you people, most of you abroad there, you use your peeler. Me and the peeler business not so, you know, Jamaican, we know that with them sitting there, you know. So we'll scrape off a carrot. Just showing you, this is turnip. I like turnip in my soup. Do you like turnip in your soup? Please comment. But then when I know them flat, so like cake when I have in a raisin agent. Like the cake that when I have in a, you know, when you bake and you forgot to put in the baking powder. So look here. It's basically what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some turnip. So I'm showing you what I'll be using for my soup mix. Turnips. And I'm going to be using carrot. And also, I will be using chayote or chocho, we call it in Jamaica. So we're going to use this. We are going to be using some pumpkin. Maybe not all, but most of it. You want to take out this part. And look here, I left this figure dry to get some pumpkin seed. If I don't know where to plant it, I can just you know, use it in a something. Just kind of like parch it or roast it and eat it. You're going to take off the skin of your pumpkin for the soup. Not too thick. We don't need the skin of the pumpkin for the soup. I know somebody said, Debbie, yes. But when you don't remove the skins from the pumpkin, you don't get that nice pretty color. The back, the skin, whole back, you getting that color from the pumpkin. We're going to prep all of these. And when we return in part 2, we will be ready to we'll be proceeding to start cooking this good body soup.